Welcome to the second video on congruency. Right, we are given two triangles and we are required to prove they are congruent. Well, we know there are four cases, and the four cases are side, 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 angle, side, 90 degrees, hypotenuse, side, and angle, angle, side. So we look at the diagram carefully and we see which one of this four that diagram is satisfying. So you can see you got side, side, this side, AB is equal to RP. You can say RP or PR, it doesn't matter. You can see AC is equal to QP. And you can see RQ is equal to BC. So it's this case here. It's a case of side, side, side. So we will write our proof. So required to prove. Now, the first triangle, you label it anyhow. Required to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. And then stop. Now, very important. When you said ABC, ABC, you moved like this. You moved along one stroke, then three stroke. So when you go to that triangle, you must move the same way. When you said ABC, you moved along from A, you moved along one stroke, then from B to C along three strokes. So when you go there, you must do the same thing. I must move along one stroke and then along three. You see, here I moved along one, then three. So here I must move along one, then three. Therefore the name will be PRQ. That's called labeling in order. When you label it in order, it will help you with so many things in the end. All right? So let's go across that labeling once again. So to label here, I said ABC. The first one you label in any order you like. So when I said ABC, I moved along one stroke, then three stroke. Therefore, in the next triangle, I must move along one stroke and then three stroke. Therefore, the name is PRQ. So now this is labeled in correct order. And then it will solve so many problems in the end, you'll see. Right, proof. AB, I can just write one here. AB is equal to RP. How do we know? It was given. Number two, BC is equal to RQ. How do we know? It was also given. And number three, AC, I always start with the first triangle, is equal to PQ. How do we know? Well, it was all given. So, you write your statements like this with a reason. Therefore, now you can just copy from there because you already labeled it correctly. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PRQ. And you write down the case. The case in this case is side, side, side. So you write side, side, side. Okay, that's the proof. Simple proof. That proof is done. Now when you finish the proof, I am teaching you to do what is called deductions. To do deductions. If two triangles are congruent, then you can write down your deductions thereafter. Deductions means what else is equal in these two triangles. Deduction means what else is equal in these two triangles. Well, this is how you always do it. You always do it like this. There will always be four deductions. Now, first I will deal with the angles. Angle A because you labeled this in the correct order, angle A is equal to angle P. Then you must ask the question, did you use that in your proof? No. Angle A is equal to angle P. Did you use that in your proof? No. Therefore, it is a deduction. Angle A is equal to angle P. Now, if you go to the diagram, you'll see angle A is opposite 3, the side marked with 3 strokes. Angle A is equal to angle P. You'll see that P is opposite the side marked with 3 strokes. Now, you're going from one side. We finished with the first to the first. Now, second, B will be equal to R. Angle B is equal to angle R. Did we use this in the proof? No. Therefore, it is a deduction. Number 3, B is equal to R. Now, the last one, C is equal to Q. So you see, when you label it in the correct order right in the beginning, then in the end deductions become very easy. Did we use this in the proof? No. Therefore, it is a deduction. And finally, the area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle PRQ. So, that's your proof and that's your deduction. So we're going to let the video run for about half a minute so that you can sit back and look at it and try to, it's called assimilate. Assimilate means to let it settle in your mind. Alright, you can pause the DVD and look at it.